Hey guys, just doing a how-to or a tutorial today on how to program the HobbyKing 20 amp with HobbyKing ESCs. There they are for you guys. There. So that's what they look like. And it works for a ton of other ESCs also. So let's just go get started. Here we have the ESC. You gotta obviously have what you're doing to program. I have the programming card. I'll show you what I have it set up for my tricopter and a quadcopter. I have a power harness, and you can actually just make this out of an XT60 connector because that's what my battery is, or a JST or whatever other connectors. I think you just need one of these wires, so it could look just like that, you know. But this is my tricopter power harness, so I'll just be using that. And this is straight off the instructions that I got from, not HobbyKing, yeah, that I got from HobbyKing. So what they first say to do is take it and plug the red wire into the red wire, okay, and just plug them up. So they're plugged up, the black to the black, and this is like your battery side. Then they say then you need to plug your motors in to it and all that good stuff. Okay, so here we got black to that. Just make sure they're all plugged up right. Okay, then we just kind of set this aside. Then go ahead and plug in your battery here. I'm using a Zippy 3000 milliamp battery, 20 cell discharge for this time. And just double check and make sure it's plugged up in the right order, which it is. There's a lot of wires, so make sure you don't get confused. Go ahead and plug it up, and you'll notice that at this moment, it's not plugged up to the the flashing tool. So then what you're going to want to do is take it into the negative, plus, and then P. I'll zoom in on that for you guys. Okay? So you notice how it's not on. That's where we're going to plug it up. And you're going to want to plug it up shiny side, like that. Or you're going to want to make sure your wires are set right. So that black is negative. I'm trying to get it to better where you can see what I'm talking about here. There we go. Okay, so see my black. This is black, red, and then white. And then it just plugs in right here to this, into negative, positive. Just plug it in, and you should wait maybe about 3 seconds, and you should hear the beep, and it's done. You're all done. It's way better than having to go through all that other hassle with working with the remote and doing all that funny stuff, which I think's a big pain. So now I'll show you what my settings are, and I'm just going to leave this plugged up to this motor so I know what it is. So let's zoom in on it here. Okay, so I have on my battery type, I have a LiPo because I'm running a LiPo. Let's see, can we get that any better for you? There we go. Okay, so my LiPo is there, and you can see what port it's on. It's on the third one from the bottom up. Then on the start, it's set on soft. So you see that. On the brake, it is off. And we gotta flip it around over here, which is really weird. On the timer, it's set on auto. Then on the here, rotational is set on normal. So like what way, I think it's going to be what way your motors spin. And then I have my battery set to protect at 2.8 volts or 50% because I don't want my tricopter to fall down out of the air. And then I have protect type is on reduce. And then the brake is obviously off. So that's what my settings are. And that's just a real quick on how to, and this is working on my tricopter here. It's not quite done. It'll be done in maybe an hour or so of my time. And I've not done quite a build video on it, but it'll be done, and I'll have some videos on like what everything is and how it's hooked up and all that. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.